At IPS, we are focused on beating COVID-19 and keeping our staff and customers safe. We have implemented a number of measures with this in mind. All of our staff are regularly cleaning their workstations with government-approved cleaners to reduce the risk of passing on COVID-19. Each employee is responsible for their area, making sure it is clean and safe. In addition, we have put our managers and leaders to work. Twice a day, our management team grabs a clean towel and a spray cleaner. We then head throughout the shops and offices, cleaning any items that would be touched by numerous people, such as light switches, crane pendants, and card handles. We believe strongly that information is a key part to beating the coronavirus. At the outset of COVID-19, IPS Canada held daily COVID-19 updates where we shared all the information we learned in battling this illness. Everything from cleaning, hand washing, masks, and protocols to follow in the event someone came down with COVID. Information was sent to each employee's email address for them to share what we learned with their families. Together, we are working to beat this. Social distancing has become the new norm. Who would have thought this would be a key way to beat COVID-19? To assist our staff with social distancing, we have worked hard to create more distance between employees when at work. A second shift was created to spread more distance among each other. Employees who could work from home moved their offices and learned to become effective from a distance. Even within our offices, we have done what we could to create more space for people to move and be mindful of social distancing. Many of our local businesses have felt the pressure of a collapsed economy. At IPS, we have focused our efforts in buying local wherever we can. All of our cleaning supplies and hand sanitizer have come from local companies. Some of the hand sanitizer even came from a local brewery who shifted their production in response to the pandemic. We encourage all to buy local. Keeping everyone at IPS healthy has been a key goal throughout the pandemic. We located and purchased thermometers for all employees to track their temperature and help them monitor their health. In addition, IPS arranged to have reusable face masks made for all employees to use when outside of our building. We feel we can help keep everyone healthier if they have the right protective equipment to use. Our most important assets are our employees and customers. Our focus on their health will help us beat COVID-19.